grab this guy better in the session.
Like that. It's intimidating, you know? No, I know you didn't. It's still, it's intimidating. You can see why people would get scared. Keep it wrapped up like that. Yeah, so another one quick. Formation. Excuse me. What's that?
But if you want to protect it, just keep it in the back. I'm sorry, I didn't. Bring a bunch of people out. Something shaped like this, wrapped up, you know? What are they going to think?
I found it outside. I did not know how it worked. I found out about membership programs. Make sure all this stuff gets in order and get it together.
This guy needs to learn from him.
He needs to learn boundaries.
Shit, dude. He's the one that told me to get back before, too, man.
Really? That sucks.
Depends, you know? It's like,
Well, it's the same hydrating thing, right?
Yeah. It's the only one I'll give respect to. Well, man.
It's hot today, man.
It is, man.
You gotta drink lots of water.
Oh, yeah.
So the officer that said it was hot today drink a lot of water, you actually de-escalate the situation earlier.
But he just told homeboy like no other charges, just this one.